Dr. Yukong, founder and CEO of Medical Acupuncture and Nutrition Inc. in Decatur, Georgia. Dr. Kong is a board-certified and licensed acupuncturist, a certified herbalist, a registered dietitian. For the past 8 years, Dr. Kong has offered clinical and nutritional consultations, individualized herbal prescriptions, functional exercise and acupuncture for patients of all ages in Metro Atlanta area. Dr. Kong's training includes a doctoral degree in Oriental Medicine from Shandong University of Chinese Medicine, a master's degree in nutrition from Pennsylvania State University, a master's degree in clinical neuroscience from China Academy of Traditional Chinese Medicine. Dr. Kong treats patients in her office in Decatur, ranging and specializing in women's health, pain management, hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, weight management, anxiety, adult attention deficit disorder. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Yukong.